Chief Minister Siddaramaiah held the second Janaspandana, the public grievance redressal program, in front of the Vidhana Soudha today. Over 20,000 people participated in today's event and 12,372 applications were submitted. Siddaramaiah has instructed the officials to dispose the grievances within 1 month. He even highlighted the importance of addressing these issues at the ground level itself and added that the responsibility lies on the DCs, CEOs and SPs. The Chief Minister emphasized that district collectors will promptly handle applications within specified timeframes, and district in charge secretaries have been directed to address issues concerning their respective districts. Additionally, he stressed the importance of proactive administration, highlighting the officers should not be inactive. He noted that 98% of grievances received during the previous Janaspandana event have been resolved and urged officers to achieve similar results this time. Earlier in the day, the Chief Minister actively engaged with people and accepted their grievances during the Janaspandana program. What are some of the grievances you have faced where the government has a role to play? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.